Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kia K4, a vehicle that's set to shake things up in the compact car market. Say goodbye to the Forte and hello to a fresh design, impressive features, and some exciting performance options. Let's get started. The 2025 Kia K4 is making its debut as an all-new vehicle, replacing the beloved Forte. Available in 3 trims, LX, LXS, and EX, this compact car starts at an affordable price point of just $23,145, going up to $25,145. But that's not all. Future trims like the GT Line and GT Line Turbo are coming soon, starting at $26,345 and reaching up to $29,245. So, there's something for everyone. Now, let's talk power. The K4 comes standard with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. But if you're looking for something more thrilling, the upcoming GT Line Turbo will feature a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine, cranking out 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, paired exclusively with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Sounds exciting, right? And for those of you who are eco-conscious, the K4 with the standard 2.0-liter engine boasts an impressive fuel economy of up to 34 miles per gallon combined. That's 30 miles per gallon in the city and a whopping 40 miles per gallon on the highway. Perfect for those long commutes. Size-wise, the K4 is a compact car, measuring 185.4 inches long and 72.8 inches wide. It offers generous rear legroom, nearly 3 extra inches compared to the Forte. Now, safety is a top priority for Kia, and the K4 comes loaded with features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. Plus, the LXS trim adds blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. You can drive with peace of mind. On the tech front, the K4 is equipped with a standard 4-inch display, a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The LXS and EX trims step it up with enhanced audio systems and a wireless charging pad. So, what can you expect from each trim? The base LX has all the essentials, while the LXS brings split folding rear seats and alloy wheels. The EX is the luxury option with dual-zone climate control and premium upholstery. The GT Line and GT Line Turbo will offer even more sporty features, but we'll have to wait for those details. So there you have it. The 2025 Kia K4 is shaping up to be a serious contender in the compact segment. Which trim are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.